Hi everyone, thanks for joining me tonight. We're going to be painting a large abstract watercolour, seeing as it is March 2021, and I haven't done one this month. So we'll be painting along the lines of Geoffrey Dyer, who's a Tasmanian landscape artist who I absolutely love, and he passed away in October last year. So I just thought I'd paint a painting that's inspired by his paintings, which were mostly oils. He did paint watercolours sometimes, but mostly oils. So we'll see how that goes, because of course watercolours are hard to emulate that, and I'm going to go very abstract. So we'll see how that all goes. Thanks for joining me tonight. I really appreciate everyone who watches these videos, and hopefully you get some information, some inspiration, those sorts of things. So if you would like something painted in particular on this YouTube channel, then just let me know in the comments below, and I will happily try and paint. No portraits, or no pets either, but I'll paint anything along the landscape style that I can paint for you guys to make it more meaningful or helpful. All right, thanks very much. We'll get painting. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put in a bit of cerulean blue, just really lightly on this top part, okay? So I'm just going to use this big hake brush, and I'm just going to very light mix, okay? So it's a very watered down mix. And we're just going to chuck on a bit of that down through here, right to the edges, right off. Right, so it's raining very heavily right now, and I think you can hear that. So I'm just mixing up a mix of cobalt blue and light red. We've got a bit of cadmium red here, so we've got a mix of cobalt blue, light red, and then a bit of cadmium red. And that's where we're going to leave it there for now, okay? So we're just going to come in across here, okay? I'm just going to cut that red off. I just don't want that red. And then I'm just going to keep coming in up here. Just going to get my brush now and just help this a bit, because what I don't want this red to just all bleed up here like that. I can see why Lena Gemzoe has these sort of solutions mixed up, ready to go, because it's kind of what I want to do right now, is get some blue and just bring it in a bit more here. Oh, I just got a bit more of that cadmium red just then. Now what we're going to do is come in with a bit of some pretty robust earthy colours, nice deep dark greys. So we're going to get a bit of a lamp black. A bit of raw umber. A little bit of French ultramarine in amongst that. And a little bit of burnt umber amongst that as well. And a little bit of lamp black up the top again. See how that goes. Right, you guys see that? So this is going to be in the earth here. Bring this in here. Bring this in. Oh, possible. And what I don't really want is for this to come up into here. Just mop up a little bit up here. Nice. Let's move this a bit because it's a little bit too strong and detracts from the subject, which is this beautiful sky lit against a strong earth. So these creases here are slightly coming back to haunt me a little bit, like they're just making the watercolour pool a bit there. Pretty annoying, but that's all right. Yeah, I really like this. Gorgeous. I'm just going to work that a little bit. We'll just get a few bright bits up here. Where are we going to get a bit of white as well? A little bit of body colour too, maybe. Ooh, playing with fire. Let's just... Nice. Just decrease this one a bit. What have we got in here? A bit of Lindsay yellow. A little bit of Windsor yellow, just. Just a little bit. Alright, so I think I'm happy with this painting. I think it's done. I'm just going to make sure that this doesn't creep in or down too much. So that stays there. You've got to make sure when you're using a tissue that you wipe and then turn or discard, because if you push that pigment into the paper, that'll be it. Be all over. All over. Nice. I like it. So I'm just going to dry this now, and yes, thanks for joining me for this large abstract watercolour for March 2021. This and other paintings are available on my website if you'd like to buy them. If you liked this, then it would be really lovely if you pressed the like button. It really helps me with the good old YouTube algorithm. And if you would like to know about future videos, then press the subscribe button and press the bell button. But no worries either way. And if you would like more help and support with your watercolours, then check me out on Patreon. Links in the description below. And I'll see you next week. Right, thanks very much. See you soon. Good night.